Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 stuck on syncing data. Can't sync data with the cloud right now. So here's what you're gonna do. You wanna open the Xbox app. Once in it, you wanna make sure that you're logged in into your profile, and then you'll left click on it and you'll go to support. You wanna click on gaming services repair tool, and then you click start. And yes, and you simply wait out till the Xbox app is repaired. You want to now click out of it. Now you want to do the same. Let's say here it's Forza. You want to right click on it, go to manage, go to files and click fix and repair files, and then click yes. After that is done, you want to exit out of this, go to search, type in VS reset, and you want to click the first thing, and it will restart your Microsoft Store. And after you're done that, the last thing you want to try to Google and type in gaming services repair tool, and you want to click the first link, wait till it loads, click downloadable version, scroll a bit till you find download the gaming repair services. Download it. You want to click here to open it immediately. Click yes. You can exit out of this, leave this on, wait for the repair to be finished, and now you want to type in Y, press enter, and then press enter again to close. And that should hopefully fix all of your issues. Also, what you can try is like simply either restarting your PC or restarting your router. Maybe it's like maybe your connection is bugging up, so you can like restart it also. And one more thing, you can update that maybe fixes the issues. You want to go to search, type in run, and run you want to type in msinfo32. Once it opens, you want to find here the baseboard product. For me it's B450. You want to exit out of this, go back to Google and type in B450 or whatever it says for you. You want to click on the first link. Now you want to go to support, go to drivers. You want to click driver here, and you want to click LAN drivers, and you want to install the latest network drivers. You can either do the Bluetooth also and the Wi-Fi drivers and install them. I'll show you now how to approach them once you download them. So you want to open it. It will reopen the window. You're going to go back to the here UWD Windows 64 installer, and now you want to click on wireless setup, and you want to click next, and then install everything. You want to accept it, and after you install the driver for the LAN and the like Wi-Fi drivers, you want to restart your PC one more time, and hopefully your Forza will work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Forza Horizon 6. Can't sync data with the cloud right now. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.